Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be telling you guys how to make your video come from this to this. So pay attention while I teach you. So before I continue, if you've not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And then before you do this, I need to give you these few tips before you can be able to do this. Please, while recording your video, ensure you have direct light. Okay, like me now, I'm recording this video staying close to my window. I have natural light. If you don't have natural light, or probably when you want to record your video it's actually late, you can use your ring light quite all right. Okay, so what I just want to let you know is you need at least a little bit of reflection of light. It's going to help in your video. So I'm done with the talking. Let's dive to the video. There's someone like me that loves shortcuts. Nobody like to go through the long way. If you're someone like me that loves shortcut, there's two ways I'm going to teach you in this video how to make your background blurry. There are two ways. Okay, I'm going to teach you one with CapCut and I'm going to teach you one with Snapchat. Okay, I think I'm going to teach you three: with CapCut, with TikTok, and also with Snapchat, whichever one. But if you are making long video, well, just whichever one that worked for you. So I'm going to teach you how to make your video blurry with Snapchat. Just watch. The first thing we're going to do here is to open our Snapchat app. Yeah, can you see? So because it is YouTube, I'm going to put this on landscape. Now you can see that on my setting the background is blue. Now I'm going to change the setting so that you would see how it is. What I need to do right now is to scroll down on my iPhone. What I need to do is to scroll down and you tap to this place that you see effect. Can you see that? And you go to portrait. If I remove the portrait, can you see that you can actually see my background compared to the way it was? Let me put this video back on landscape so it will be easier. Can you see the way it was? Now if I put it back on portrait, my whole background is becoming blur and the video is not concentrating on my face. Do you get? And now if you can actually come here and increase the, let's say you turn it on, you can make, can you see this? Can you see the difference? And I can probably because my hair is actually blurring out my hair, I don't want people to know that I did any effect. I can reduce it. Come here and then you reduce this. Can you see the difference? Can you see the difference? It's not looking as if I made any huge impact at the background. Or you come here and you increase it depending on what you want to do. Okay, so this is one step where recording you can use your Snapchat. So this is me using, I can use my Snapchat to make as much video as I want, right? Can you see the way it is? Now I'm going to record a few so you see. So I am making this video directly from my Snapchat. Can you see the way the video is? Can you see the way it is? Now I can scroll down. Can you see the difference? So you can use your Snapchat to make a video. Now I'm going to teach you the next one using your TikTok app to make video, to make your background to be blur. Okay, video was really helpful to you, and if you really like this video, I want to do a test to know the people that always watch my video from the beginning to the end. So if you watch to this point, just comment thank you. Yeah, just comment thank you. I just want to know if people really watch my video from the beginning to the end. And please in commenting, you actually help me by encouraging me to do more tutorials like this. Okay, see you in my next video.
What to do is run.